Hello everyone, we are Group 16 and today we'll be presenting on the Bukit Kukus landslide incident in Penang. The Bukit Kukus landslide happened on October 19, 2018 during a road construction project. Due to heavy rainfall, part of the slope collapsed and tragically causing death and raising questions about construction safety. The study explores what led to the incident and examines the need for stronger safety regulation. In terms of legal perspective, this incident falls under OSHA Section 15.1 and Section 29.2. Based on this regulation, the contractor was held responsible under the Occupational Safety and Health Act and faced penalties for failing to ensure safety at the construction site.
The ethical considerations focuses on three main points, which the Bukit Kukus landslide reveals conflicts of interest that show the ethical challenges engineers and developers face, especially when profits are put before safety. And cutting safety standards to save time or money weakens the integrity of engineering as profit can overshadow the ethical standards. And next point is that the violation of professional conduct focuses on investigations found that poor water runoff was a key cause of the landslide, showing a disregard for standard engineering practices. And the failure to report a potential risk in the Bukit Kukus landslide shows a concerning neglect of engineers' duty to protect the public safety. And lastly, is that the risk to reputation and trust due to perceived negligence, the engineers on the project are now being closely examined for the integrity and failure to ensure property safety measures like water runoff management shows skepticism about safety.
Agencies involved in this project. The first one is Utah Maju Sdn Bhd as a main contractor, primary party responsible for managing the construction project. The second one is GEA Malaysia Sdn Bhd as a consultant engineer, responsible for overseeing the technical aspects of the project. The third one is GNP Professional Sdn Bhd as an independent checker, responsibility of providing an objective review of construction activities and identifying any unsafe condition. And the last one is Penang Island City Council, MBPP, as a project owner. Overall responsibility for the project's initiation, funding, and adherence to municipal regulations. MBPP's role included overseeing all contractors and ensuring compliance with local construction standards.
For the safety aspect, there are some regulations that have overlooked or violated. For example, due to the heavy risk of landslide and the lack of sufficient emergency exit routes, they have failed to comply with the OSHA 1994, CIDB, and DOSH, which aims to protect workers in the workplace. Moreover, they have also failed to follow the National Slope Master Plan 2016, which requires a monitoring system in the working area to reduce this landslide risk nationwide. This monitoring is managed by the national regional officers who reports back to the workstation. From here, we know they have conducted serious safety oversights by failing to adhere these essential regulations.
Technical and ethical reasons for failure. Firstly, inadequate site management. There was insufficient drainage measure and there was no soil erosion mitigation plan. Secondly, improper construction practices. Primary contractor failed to hire competent engineers for the design of temporary platform on site. Thirdly, non-compliance of regulatory protocols. Consultant engineers and independent checker failed to follow the scope of work. Lastly, negligence in worker safety. Workers were housed in makeshift containers at the bottom of the slope, which poses potential hazards. Recommendations to prevent similar failures in future. Firstly, enhance site management practices. There should be stringent design and engineering standards, geotechnical research being carried out, and regular maintenance. Secondly, strict adherence to regulatory compliance. All projects should comply with local building codes and regulation. There should also be regular audits to enforce compliance effectively. Thirdly, ethical and social implementations. Companies should promote a proactive safety culture, has community engagement, and employee empowerment.
In a conclusion, the Bukit Kukus landslide serves as a stark reminder of the critical need for robust safety measures and regulatory oversight in construction projects, particularly in environmentally sensitive areas. The ongoing investigation and discussion surrounding this incident highlight the importance of prioritizing public safety over development interests to prevent similar tragedies in the future.